gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog on this most gorgeous Friday. That's right, this is a Friday, and it's been my first week of working back from the office. No more remote working for now. Well, actually today, this Friday, is when we find out a new remote work policy, which I'm guessing will include some sort of a hybrid formula of sorts, where we can work a little bit home and then, you know, some sort of a ratio. And yeah, cruising to work. Haven't recorded one of these early morning 8 in the morning vlogs in a minute, and glad to do it. The dash is still fucked. I didn't repair it yet. I'm waiting for like the cold rainy season. Plus I kind of like the fact that you can't see how fast I'm going, which is, you know, probably a good thing. And it's about to rain, so I'm trying to beat the rain, trying to get to the office before it starts drizzling inevitably. And the bike is acting funny. I feel like it's misfiring. There's definitely an air leak of some sort. Something is wrong, but it's okay. Look at this person. So yeah, the bike I think is misfiring or something. Obviously without the RPM gauge I can't even tell what it's doing exactly, which is okay, which is fine. And on top of it, I hurt my knee somehow, because about 15 years ago I had an ACL, MCL surgery on this knee, on the left knee, because I tore it in a bicycle accident. And then I don't know how or why. I mean, I knew my right knee was kind of like damaged from this electric bicycle accident from a couple years ago, but it was totally fine. And then 3 days ago it just started hurting, and right now I actually have a knee brace on, and it's just like a situation and stuff, and it's like a real pain in the ass. And yeah, I don't like it. I don't like how both my bike and my body are kind of struggling a little bit. But I think it's important to record this little vlog, which I will call no complaining. But that's my new mantra. After I just complained to you guys for like last few minutes, there will be no more complaining. No mas. We'll just chill out. And today at work I gotta order a new laptop for myself, and we're gonna have headshots, which is kind of awkward. There's like people were asked to like dress up and look good, and I'm like, bro, how does a black t-shirt sound? Brother. Here we are. Sweet bananas. No turn signal, like a savage. And here we're just gonna have to split. This is like Split Nation USA. Trying to beat the rain. You're not gonna let me go through? Can you move over? You really can't move over? What a dickhead. kind of vloggy after some splitting banzai. Look, we're in traffic. Some people didn't get the memo that we're in traffic and they're keeping distances. We'll just go over here, you know. There we go. Stop behind this school bus and go nice and slow. All these people are trying to make all sorts of moves to get ahead and whatnot. Not too much though. Oh look, it's a cute new park down there. And look at this building. Look at this building. You guys probably can't tell, but this brown building to the right was not here. This is kind of insane. I need to walk around and take a look at it. But I'm fucking limping. I'm literally limping with my stupid foot. My stupid knee. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go and get an appointment with an orthopedic surgeon. And I'm afraid I'm gonna need probably a surgery. Probably like a MCL surgery or something. Which is, you know, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. But yeah, like my knee is sore after riding for like, you know, 10 minutes. And tomorrow I'm riding to New Jersey to a birthday party, so that should be interesting to say the least. Interesting to say the least. And here we are. Sweet, sweet, innocent Dumbo, where the dreams are made. Nice and early today, just like I planned. Nobody shows up to the office until like 9, and I show up at 8:15 or so, and that way I can get some work done before anybody shows up and bothers me. It's my favorite. The golden hour. The first hour. That's when you make a plan of attack for the day. You're gonna go, oh, what are you doing? What the what? That guy legit just stopped in the middle of the road. What a fucking tool. Stopped on the right side of the road without warning. It's cute. Let's see, which way can we go? This way might be tricky. And yeah, my license plate damn near broke off yesterday. Thank God I caught it and actually went to Dirty Billy, and Adam helped me out, and we glued like 2 old license plates to the back of my license plate, and now it's a thick boy. Now it's a really thick boy. Good. This fucking jerk. It was a car's turn. What do we got here? What are you fucking doing? It's a little tight. That's a perfect little spot right there. Silence. Ooh, we could stop right there, but that's probably not good enough. Nah. weird spot. That's a weird spot for parking. We'll go somewhere else. Find a different spot. Not a big deal. Sometimes you gotta circle the block, if you know what I mean. We park right here, but it's okay. Definitely not parking next to that guy. We'll take a look and see what we got here. Tuesday, Friday. Oh, Friday. You can't park here, and today's Friday. Okay, well, now we know. Next block it is. See if we can find the spot here, because otherwise we are in sweet trouble. That's kind of a spot right there, right? Kinda. Kind of a spot right there. Not really a spot, but what are you gonna do? God damn. No spots around here. That really blows. Let's try the next block. Really don't like this main street here, but maybe there's something here. No, there's nothing. Don't really want to park there. Sweet joy. I'm not parking out here, that's for sure. And I'm not showing turn signals, nothing. I'm shocked. I can't find a parking spot for a motorcycle. I think my skills have dwindled. What are you doing, lady? Alright, I'm gonna go back and fucking find this spot. I'm taking it easy, boys. It's all good. Because last time I think I passed them and they were mad. A couple days ago. But I had to make moves. This might have to be the spot over here, the one that I might like too much, but it's gonna have to do. This spot here, it's kind of tight. It's kind of tight. Might have to be it. Might have to be it. Alright, boys and girls, sorry I kind of stopped talking, but all my focus was on finding a good parking spot for this goddamn masquerade, and I think we did. I think things are gonna be alright. Thank you for watching, alright? We'll talk soon. Until the next episode of rambling fool talks shit. Bye.